Hello YouTube, thank you for watching my video. Today we came to go to a pancake restaurant and it's called Cafe Vaughn. Let's try this new restaurant. So this is Cafe Rob. I just ordered a lunch set menu. It has pancakes, fried potatoes, fried chicken, salad, and it has everything. This is my lemon mango soda. Let me try it. Sweet, it's refreshing. If you pour in this syrup, it will change color, they say. So let me try that. Okay. Now it's kind of like light purple. Yeah. So this is before, this is after. This syrup is completely mango. So now it's a bit sweeter. My pancake set looked delicious. Restaurant opened in the 20th of September. So it's quite a new restaurant. The chicken came with mayonnaise. So I'm gonna try for the chicken. It's really, really, really good. It's fabulous. It has a nice taste to it. Now let me try the colorful salad. Oh my goodness. Salad has ham. And the ham gives a salty, tasty flavor. Let's try the fried potato. It doesn't have too much salt on it. It's very soft. Everything's nice in the set. Now I'm ready for my main dish, pancakes. And there's two stuck together. 1 and 2. I ordered some cream to go with it, so this is the cream and this is the pancake. The cream gives a great flavor to the pancake. If you try this, you'll want to eat those pancakes all day. Definitely all the cream with it. Because the pancake is not that sweet. It was a really fluffy pancake. That was delicious. There was a street market outside the restaurant. There's carrot cake. The shops were selling some tasty looking snacks. after a beautiful pancake meal, we came to a gelato place just 2 minutes from the pancake place. And I decided to order caramel milk. By the looks of it, it looks really good. Really sweet. The caramel gives a really sweet flavor. It's really sweet. If you like this video, please subscribe down below.